Hi everyone, this is Dr. Hafez from Scholars Dental. We want to show you all the cool different features we have in our online AFK course. So this way you'll learn how each feature could benefit you in your studies and help you prepare for the AFK exam. If you have further questions and you want more details, please contact us. You'll see the email and phone in the description box below and other links as well. And book your free consult so that you and I will meet and we could talk over Zoom one-on-one and figure out for your specific situation what's the best way to approach the AFK exam in the NDEB process. So let's get started. Alright, so the feature I want to discuss in this video is our student forum that's exclusive, and we actually just built our own forum because we don't want to use any social media like Facebook or anything else to discuss questions. We found just to build our own is a lot better. So if you're an AFK student, you want to go to the AFK forum, and this just creates another layer of clearing out doubts and finding answers and explanations. It was actually our first thing we did to help online students to find answers and discuss questions. And then, as you know, we created the live sessions. That's the second layer to clear any doubts and explanations to questions. And then we created the question videos that students watch to go through all the questions. So if you look at our question videos, for example, in basic science, you have all these question videos that you could go through and see the explanation and the answers to all the questions. You have the live sessions, and the forum is just that additional layer. I even use the forum sometimes. If I forget a question, I want to check it out, I may go here and find it and then see that there's a reference made for it. So one thing that you could do in the forum is a quick way to get all the answers. So you go to answer key if you want to do that, and you can see here, you just go to any of the subjects. So for example, basic science, and you'll see a post that has all the questions and their answers. You could literally just copy this to a document if you want to have it, so you don't have to use the forum anymore, but you could note it down in your physical copies of the questions so that you have the answers for all the questions. So that's a quick way to get the answers. Now, the forum could be also used to discuss questions, to find questions you have doubts about. So for that, you don't go to the answer key. You could just go to the subject itself before you go to answer key. Okay, so let's say you go to basic science. Then over here, you could create a post, right? And then just type in the question you want. We have a tutorial on how to do that and which way you're supposed to do it to make the forum function well. You type in your post, and then one of the instructors will come in and answer your question. It's only about the actual official questions that you have in the booklet. It's not just a general question. We leave that for the live sessions because sometimes a back and forth is better to be in a live session. So you can see there's multiple layers to take care of all the different kind of doubts that you may have about the concepts or the questions, but they're used differently. So if you have just a general question you want to ask, that's like, we do that in the live session, so we really could understand what your question is and have a back and forth. But if you have a release question you want to ask about, like one of the questions in the booklet, you could post it here from the subject, and then we'll come back to you. And before you post it even, we recommend that you search for it. So a lot of times you have access basically to an incredible database right here. You have access to all the previous discussions that happened before your course. Okay, and whatever this posts and discussions happened before. So if you type in, let's say, a keyword like amalgam, and you just click it, you'll see that all the questions have been discussed that have amalgam in them. You could just go like, okay, which was the one that you're looking for? Maybe it's this one here, right? So question 34, you'll probably recognize it, and you'll see that there's a discussion, and look, a reference right here, Phillips page 343. This is what it says. And a cool discussion between the students and the instructor. So again, as I said, I even use this sometimes to go and check, oh wait, why was that the answer? Let's see if we have a reference. If I don't have it in my slide, I go here and double check. So this is a really good kind of like additional support for you to go back. Let's say a live session is not until the weekend. You watch the question videos and you have some sort of doubt. You could use this as a layer to clear out some doubts, right? And then when you come to the live session, you have even less questions to talk about, which makes it even more efficient so that we could discuss the other problematic questions you have in more detail and spend more time on those. So this is the forum. Use it to look up questions that you have doubts with, so in case they are already posted, you could post in the forum or just wait until the live session and ask there, up to you. We also have the ACJ forum, but I'm just showing you guys the feature here, which is a really cool exclusive forum that we've been building for years now, and you have access to all that database when you join our course. That's it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed the feature we talked about today. And remember, the earlier you register, the sooner you'll get the books, right? So we really encourage that. And if you have any questions, please contact us. You'll find our contact info in the description box below, and our registration links as well. And if you have any questions or you want a free consult, please send us an email and we'll book you that free consult. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.